you guys, it's your girl Naima. Welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another video. Y'all already know, act like y'all didn't see this look in my previous video. Okay, so yes y'all, so here I go again, minding my business. I was on TikTok, just TikTok scrolling. Aroma Concepts, being shady, sends me a message and say, you know, we live. Come on this live and see all these good fragrances and deals and steals we got on this live. Come on in here and see what we got. And what I do, went on right on in there. Picked up a fragrance from Aroma Concepts. Honestly, this scent has been on my, not like wish list, but it was like I'm tempted to buy it list. And if it ends up on sale, I'll buy it list. So yeah, so this is one of the fragrances. So I'm gonna open it with you guys. And it's a blind buy. We gonna give you my first impressions, my honest review. I have a thought of what it may smell like, and the two people who kind of like influenced me to get it, we have the same nose, so hopefully she don't piss me off. So to see the fragrance, keep on watching. And let me know how y'all feel about this light. Now, I keep messing with this light because I don't know if I want to look yellow, if I want to look white, or whatever. So I'm opening up the box, y'all. Again, this fragrance is from Aroma Concepts. And what I guess they could use this as a bubble wrap. Also, the shipping was fast as hell. The shipping was immaculate, okay? This thing came in the same week I ordered it, all right? So let's get into it. So y'all, here is the fragrance. I know y'all probably be seeing this on TikTok, on other YouTube channels. This one actually is like one of, I think, 3 others or 2 others. I think it may be 3 total or 4 total. Whatever it is, I'm gonna put it up on the screen so you guys can know what I'm talking about. Why it's so funny, I only knew that it was called Oh Boy. I didn't know who it was by, what house, none of that. I just knew I needed Oh Boy in my collection. So y'all see the seal, so y'all already know it's real. So this is Autobiography's Oh Boy. It's supposed to be unisex. They actually have the notes on the back of the box, which I love. So the top notes is fruity, sweet, and rose. The heart notes is powdery and passion fruit. The base note is woody notes and amber. Okay, so y'all know how I feel about those fragrances. Which is, I like them. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into this. Let's open her up. Alright, just a regular white standard box, nothing fancy. Like I said, we love that the notes are on the box. Now, I have a fragrance on right now. Oh, y'all. Oh, she is so freaking pretty. This bottle is so, you know how you see the bottles and then when you get it in your hand, it's like, oh, she's weighty too. Like, she's thick. Beautiful. Ooh, the top is not too much, but it's not too flimsy. And it has their logo on the top. Y'all, okay, again, like I said, oh, it's by Paris Corner. This must be a house in Paris Corner because it has Paris Corner on the top. See? I didn't even know that. So let me get one of my little fragrance strips. Y'all know the bag. Because I'm an official perfume girly now. I got my little strips or whatever. A blind buy. This is my first impression sniff. Let's get into it. I don't know if I like smelling perfumes on perfume strips. Because when I was in Bath and Body Works, that was giving me a struggle as well. I don't think I like doing the strips. Or is it like a scent that you have to like spray and let it rest? Because I do definitely smell the woody notes and the amber. I'm not getting any fruit or rose. Let me spray it out in a box. Let me see if the box will give me a little bit of sniffing room. Also, my ceiling fan is on, so that doesn't help. This smells like lemons. It smells like, I don't want to say like cleaning products, because don't nobody want to walk around smelling like cleaning products. Y'all, that's what it smells like. And then when I purchased her, definitely got her on sale for like, maybe, it was definitely under $30 with shipping. So I don't know, man. I'm gonna spray her ear. Even though I have a fragrance combination on right now, I'm gonna go ahead and spray her right here. And we're gonna let her sit for a minute, and I'll be back. And we back. This is definitely one of the fragrances you have to spray on your skin. I smell lemons, y'all. Like, I don't know. My nose is giving all of the lemon vibes. All the lemon, the cake, lemon cookies, lemon custard. I think that's what the woody and the fruity and the passion fruit is. I guess that's what that smells like when you mix it all up. I'm going to give her a chance, y'all. Y'all know how I do. Because I had another one I got to come back and tell y'all how I feel about it. Honor and Glory by Latifah. Because remember I told y'all, I don't know, don't fight me. Don't fight me on this one. This is definitely an unique fragrance. This is definitely... Now, I like the dry down. I like the dry down. We're going to see how we do. So I'm going to go to my niece's birthday dinner. This should have been my fragrance for the night, but I wasn't sure how this would smell. So I can't test it today. But I am going to do this little small tester, so I have it here on my arm. And I will come back later on tonight and let you guys know what I think about it. What time is it? Okay, it's 6:48 p.m. I should be back home maybe around 9-ish at the latest. I can definitely come back and let you guys know how I feel about this before I close out this video. And we'll just chit chat then. All right, see y'all later. Okay, y'all, I am back in for my niece's birthday dinner. It is now 10:06. I left out the house about 6:45. Doing a wear test, just a quick little wear test on Oh Boy. As of now, I do not smell it, but like I said, I've already had a layering combo of fragrance on, so I don't really want to judge it for today, but I will definitely let her sit for a little bit so it can do its thing, and I will definitely come back and let you guys know what I think, along with another fragrance I was kind of a little iffy about. So yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. If you have this fragrance, let me know what you think. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.